Hello all you nature files. So I'm standing here at one of the most beautiful car parks in the Blue Mountains. The start of the walk to Mount Hay. But we're not going there today. We're going to Butterbox Lookout. It's a nice short one, so come along with me and let's check it out. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots. Let's get going. So from here, we obviously want to head that way, not that way. So you can keep going here, but the way you want to head is up that way. For that 15-minute walk, this is your walk. Juice is definitely worth the squeeze. Check it out. So that was Butterbox Lookout. As you can see, let's continue back to the car and wrap up. That, by the way, is Mount. So that was the walk to Butterbox Lookout. And I couldn't have finished this at a better time. As you can see, there is a storm rolling in behind me. It was a fairly easy walk, as you can see. Probably 15 minutes to the lookout and 15 minutes back. You can dawdle there for however long you want. Anyways, go check it out for yourselves. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, it'll take care of you. See you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.